Risk response strategies for positive risks. A risk defined as an unforeseen event that may have positive or negative effects on the project's objectives in case of its occurrence. Since the risks have either positive or negative impacts, they can be grouped into two major categories. As the name suggests, positive risks have positive impacts on the project's goals so that the project team tries to make them happen by implementing response strategies. On the other hand, negative risks have unfavorable impacts on the project's goals. Consequently, the project team tries to minimize their harmful effects. Risk response strategies. Typically, risk response strategies can be classified into two major categories: strategies for responding to negative risks or threats, strategies for responding to positive risks or opportunities. Strategies to deal with risks may change depending on the type of risk. Below are the strategies to deal with the negative risks according to the PMBOK guide. Escalate, mitigate, transfer, avoid, accept. The PMBOK guide specifies the below positive risk response strategies: escalate, enhance, exploit, accept, share. Positive risks have a positive effect on project goals, therefore methods to deal with them will focus on increasing the chances of them arising. What are the risk response strategies for positive risks? Escalate. The escalate risk response strategy can be used when the opportunity is outside the scope of the project or the project manager's authority level is insufficient to develop a response. Managers at the program or portfolio level deal with the opportunities by using the escalate strategy. Simply put, if the project manager's authority level is not sufficient to realize the opportunity, he will contact top management to handle it. So the opportunity will be escalated to the top management. Once the opportunity is escalated by them, the project team will not take any action to deal with it. These opportunities may be recorded in the risk register for informational purposes. For example, you are managing a hospital construction project and the client came to your office and told that they are planning to have a new hospital in another region. Then asked if your company is interested in bidding for the construction work. You contacted your program manager and informed him of this opportunity. Enhance. The enhance risk response strategy analyzes the root cause of the positive risk and tries to increase the probability and the positive impacts of it. For example, you are managing a power plant project which should be completed in 24 months. According to the contract, if you complete it earlier, you will earn a bonus payment. But you are aware of the high cost of early completion, thus, you decided to take a less aggressive approach to make the risk at least more probable to happen. Therefore, you decided to motivate your project team and promise them a bonus payment for early completion. Exploit. The exploit risk response strategy aims to eliminate uncertainty by making the opportunity absolutely happen. Let's analyze the same example from a different point of view. You are managing a power plant project and you are required to complete the project in 24 months. According to the contract, you will earn a bonus payment in case of early completion. Therefore, you decided to take a more aggressive approach to make the risk certainly happen. You decided to transfer your resources to this project from other projects of your organization and you pay overtime to salaried employees in order to exploit this situation. Accept. The accept response strategy is to take advantage of the opportunity if it arises without taking any action to realize the opportunity. For example, you are managing a housing project and there is a highway project very close to you. The project manager of the highway project came to your site and proposed you sell backfill material at a low price. You evaluated this situation and accepted. Accepting strategy is applicable to both negative and positive risks. Share. The share response strategy is to assign the ownership of the opportunity to a third party who is capable of capturing the opportunity for the benefit of the project. For example, you are planning to participate in a tender but the scope of work requires a certain technical capability. Therefore, you will persuade a company that has a certain technical capability to collaborate with your organization. These four strategies can be used to manage positive risks. The project manager decides which strategy type is appropriate considering the risk type and the circumstances of the project. If necessary responses are not implemented, the risk management process will fail, and the chances of the project achieving its goals will be reduced.